main priority is to understand that our spine should always lead our leg. So we want to somehow be focusing. Some people focus on the back part of the spine here, right here. Some people focus here. Some people focus on this chest, but definitely upper body. So like the idea to put your weight on one leg only, pick up your tummy in chest forward, knee back, have the space here, and now do this rocking motions to activate your spine. Now, when the spine is active and leading our step, we have a pendulum change same time. Yeah, yeah. So you see, it's idea not to use your hip, idea to use your spine, which decide that hip. So you see, this is not this, it's more your spine. As your spine proceed, your pendulum changes. As your spine proceed, your pendulum changes. Yes, as your spine proceeds, your pendulum not now do yeah. So there is a two mistakes. It's only the spine and nothing in the hip, or it's only the hip. And now here we want to coordinate. The more your spine travels, more the hip change. Now your spine travel back, your hip is lifting. Why? Prevent you from falling back. So this rocking motion could be a great exercise. You see, you're a little bit here. I would more think about this. So your chest should be always on top of your leg. Yes, a little bit there. Very good. Yeah, so you constantly, this part is on top of you, not the hip cannot take over the body. Yeah, so that's number one. So learn like this. So let's do another one. Rocking from this side. And you see your upper body, beautiful posture is already